And the race is on. Jokes only from the outside is Bullish Dream, rushing up by the Lake in Manila together with Mr. Cool. Lake in Manila, Mr. Cool alongside is Bullish Dream. Down on the inside is Maricor's Charm, rushing up Jokes only. Honestly, Amber 8 Mogul, while Morning Nell is the early trailer by about 10 or 11 lengths of the leader. As they round the 3/4 mile distance, Lake came Manila by some 3 lengths, followed by Bullish Dream. Maricor's Charm racing in third by some 6 lengths, rushing up from the outside. Jokes only, Mr. Cool in the middle. Honestly, third last, Mogul second last, and Morning Nell is still running at the tail of the field. Lake in Manila still leading by some 3 lengths. Bullish Dream running in second. Maricor's Charm getting closer in third by some 2 lengths together with Mr. Cool. Jokes only, Honestly, Mogul and Morning Nell. Rounding the far turn, Lake came Manila, Bullish Dream, Maricor's Charm. Mr. Cool also rushing up. Jokes only. Last 450, Mr. Cool is now the leader. Maricor's Charm, Bullish Dream fading out is Lake came Manila. Jokes only as they race the final corner. Mr. Cool by some 3 lengths, Maricor's Charm, and rushing up from the outside is Jokes only, and nearing the finish line, Mr. Cool by some 5 lengths now. Maricor's Charm and Jokes only down on the inside is Honestly, and nearing the finish line, it's still Mr. Cool. Jokes only is on the outside, rushing up, but finally it's going to be Mr. Cool. Jokes only, Maricor's Charm, Bullish Dream, and Morning Nell for your Fentafecta.